Hello guys, welcome to Consumer channel. Today I am going to explain 8th class first chapter rational numbers from exercise 1.2. Second question, represent minus 2 by 13 comma 5 by 13 comma minus 9 by 13 on the number line. So in the question they given the values, we have to represent on the number line. So now we have to take number line. So I wrote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in the right side, the positive values I divided into 13 parts, because here, see here 2 by 13. The denominator is 13. So I am dividing into 13 parts. In the left side, the negative values we have to take. I wrote here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. And now we have to divide with 13, because here denominator is 13. So now this 0 can write as by 13, 0 by 13, and 1 by 13, 2 by 13, and 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13, 7 by 13, 8 by 13, 9 by 13, 10 by 13, 11 by 13, 12 by 13, 13 by 13. So 13 by 13, 13 by 13, 13 ones are 13 ones are. It will come 1 here. Left side values I am writing by 13. Minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13, minus 10 by 13, minus 11 by 13, minus 12 by 13, minus 13 by 13. 13 ones are 13 ones are. Will come here minus 1. So first we have to represent minus 2 by 13 in the number line. Search where is the minus 2 by 13. Minus, so the minus value will there at left side, so we have to search here minus 2 by 13. See here minus 2 by 13 is there here. So next we have to represent 5 by 13. See here 5 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13. 5 by 13 is there. Yes, 5 by 13 is here. So next we have to represent minus 9 by 13. Where is the 9 by 13? Search here minus 9 by 13. Yes, is there minus 9 by 13. Yes, now minus 2 by 13 lies between minus 2 by 13 lies between 0 and minus 1. Next 5 by 13. 5 by 13 lies between 5 by 13 lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Next minus 9 by 13. So minus 9 by 13 lies between minus 9 by 13 is lies between 0 and minus 1. 0 and minus 1. Yes guys, see here in the same exercise, fifth question. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. And the hint also given. See here, what is the hint? First write the rational numbers with the equal denominators. Before solving this question, we have to understand the question. So what is the question? Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. they given the two rational numbers. We have to find a rational number between these two numbers. A rational number means 1. So what is the hint? Hint is the equal the denominators. You know how to equal the denominators? You don't know? See, I am doing 3 and 4 are the denominators. So now we have to do LCM. By doing the LCM, we can equate the denominators. So 3 and 4. In 3 table 3 goes 1 time and 4 write as it is. And in 2 table 1 write as it is. In 2 table 4 goes 2 times. And 1 in 2 table 2 goes 1 time. 1 write as it is. And 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So the LCM is 12. First write this part 2 by 3 into, in 3 table 12 goes 4 times, so into 4 by 4. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, and this you have to take 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into, in 4 table 12 goes 3 times, into 3 by 3. Okay, and 3 3s are 9 by 3 3s is 9. 4 3s are 12. So now we have to find a rational number between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Now we have to write the rational numbers between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Okay, 8.1 by 12, 8.2 by 12, 8.3 by 12, 8.4 by 12, 8.5 by 12, 8.6 by 12, and 8.7 by 12, 8.8 by 12, 8.9 by 12. These all rational numbers lies between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. So in the question what they asked, find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. A rational number means 1 only. So in this between we can take a rational number. It's our wish. You can take 8 by 3 by 12 also, 8 by 5 by 12, your wish. You have to take one rational number. So now I am taking 8.1 by 12. So 12 between these two rational numbers. So we have to write 8 by 12 less than 8.1 by 12 less than 9 by 12. So 8.1 by 12 is a rational number between these two numbers. This is the answer for the question.